right, boys and girls, this is Mrs. Russell. Today for math, we're going to be exploring how to write different equations to find the area of a rectangle. As a review, area is the number of square units that cover a figure. We can write a formula to find the area by writing area is equal to length times width, or a shorter way of writing it, it would be A for area is equal to L for length times W for width. And if we can remember that, our life will be much easier when we are looking for area of rectangles. What I have here, I've modeled a rectangle using blue square units. And if I was to use my formula to find the area of this blue rectangle, I would simply write on the left 2 units, because I have 2 square units on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 units at the top. So this rectangle measures 2 by 4, and my area would be 2 times 4 equals 8 square units. Okay. Now, what I could do is I could take a rectangle that actually measures the exact same number of square units, but divide it a little bit differently. So you'll notice that I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square units, but they're different colors. And therefore, I'm going to actually use a different equation to model this rectangle. And I'm going to just leave these up here for a moment. But what you'll notice is that my red section here, I have 2 units by 2 units. So if I wanted to find the area of that section, I would do 2 times 2. I'm going to just put that in parentheses for now. Okay, then I have a blue section over here, and it also measures 2 by 2. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to record it. And I could even draw the lines in here. I could draw the lines just to show you that those were square units. I just simply removed them. Okay. And so my equation, the equation I would use to model the area of this rectangle would be 2 times 2 plus, that was for the red, plus 2 times 2. And so I get 2 times 2 over here, that equals 4, plus 2 times 2 over here, which is equal to 4. So my area, once again, is 8 square units. Okay, I didn't take any of the square units away. I have 4 over here and 4 over here. That equals 8, just like I had over here in my original rectangle. Okay, to model it a little bit differently, I have divided my rectangle again. So now I have 6 red square units and 2 blue square units. Okay, and I'm going to just I'll remove the red ones first. And before I do that, actually, I want to show you that the red section of this rectangle now measures 2 units by 1, 2, 3 units. So my equation to represent that section would be 2 times 3. The smaller section, represented by the blue square units, actually measures 2 times 1. Okay, so my equation for this rectangle would be 2 times 3 plus 2 times 1. And I get 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 equals 8 square units. And you don't want to forget those square units. They're really important. We use square units to measure area, not perimeter. Perimeter is just measured in units. Okay, so there are 3 different equations that I wrote to represent the same size rectangle. I didn't take any away. Okay, so I use that and I use that. 3 different equations to represent the same rectangle. Okay, so that is what we're going to be working on today as we start to tackle lesson 6-6. Okay, have a good day today, everybody.